Today, we're diving into DJT, Donald Trump's tech company, which has been making waves in the market. With Trump set to take office next week, all eyes are on this stock and how it's poised to react. Buckle up, this could get interesting. Looking back, DJT has shown some wild mood swings during major Trump-related events. When Trump announced his 2024 campaign, the stock exploded with a 35% gain in a single day. It was like the market collectively said, "Here we go again." But just as quickly, the hype cooled off, and reality set in. This boom and bust cycle has become DJT's signature move. Then there was the whole indictment saga. At first, DJT's stock dipped, as uncertainty made traders jittery. But just when people started writing it off, it rebounded like a plot twist in a political thriller. The stock surged nearly 20% in the week following the initial dip as retail investors rallied behind it. The message was clear: this stock thrives on drama. It's not just a ticker, it's an emotional rollercoaster. More recently, when Trump's legal challenges were dismissed in several key states, DJT saw a 12% rally over 2 trading sessions. However, that momentum was short-lived as broader market conditions weighed on speculative stocks, leading to a 7% pullback in the days that followed. The stock's behavior has shown time and time again that it's highly reactive to Trump's political fortunes, making it a prime candidate for rapid shifts in sentiment. Now, with Trump's imminent return to the Oval Office, DJT is already showing signs of heightened volatility. Pre-market activity over the past week has been unusually active, with volume spikes corresponding to news about cabinet appointments and policy hints. Historically, Trump-centric events have turned this stock into a lightning rod for speculation. The coming days will likely be no exception. If history's any guide, we're looking at a mix of big moves and big questions. Let's talk options, because that's where things really get spicy. Implied volatility on DJT options is sky high right now, signaling the market's expectation of major price swings. Strategies like straddles or strangles might be worth considering if you're aiming to capture those moves. But fair warning, options premiums are expensive, so you'll need to weigh the risks carefully. This isn't monopoly money, well, unless you're playing with house money. Another key metric to watch is short interest. With the last reported figures sitting around 20%, there's a decent chance of a short squeeze if momentum builds. If that happens, it'll be a fireworks show for the ages. But remember, for every squeeze, there's also the risk of a swift pullback. DJT doesn't just go up or down, it swings like a pendulum with a grudge. Looking ahead, the stock's trajectory will hinge on how Trump's policies and actions in office unfold. Even small news items, a press conference, an executive order, or a surprise tweet, could send the stock veering in unexpected directions. Stay sharp, and keep an eye on pre-market activity and volume trends for clues about what's coming next. In conclusion, DJT is the stock to watch this week. Its history of sharp moves and its connection to political headlines make it both an opportunity and a risk. For investors, the key is staying informed and keeping a level head. Whether this stock takes off or takes a dive, one thing's for sure: it's going to be a fascinating ride.